Romanian food is more than just a meal, it's a journey through a culture full of rich flavours and tradition. Start with the iconic sarmal, tender stuffed cabbage rolls, slow cooked with pork, rice and herbs, bringing centuries-old flavours to your plate. Then enjoy juicy, smoky maisi, grilled to perfection, a true favourite at any celebration. Next, dive into the tangy, hearty ciorba de bata, a rich tripe soup that's both comforting and full of bold flavours. Don't forget the creamy, golden mamaliga, often served with sour cream and salty cheese, capturing the essence of Romanian hospitality. And of course, finish with the irresistible papanashi, crispy donuts topped with sour cream and jam, the perfect sweet ending to a Romanian feast. Have you had the chance to try Romanian food? Which dish would you love to taste first?